This is the final section of our review. We're going to be using tables to convert measurements. We're going to start with A, 9 yards equals blank feet. Well, I remember that 1 yard is 3 feet. So I'm going to use that to help me. I'm first going to make a table. I'm going to start with the unit I'm starting with, which is yards. And then I'm going to put feet on the other side. So like I just said, I remember that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So let's see, there we go. So now let's see, if 1 yard equals 3 feet, I know that I had to multiply 1 times 3. I'm going to use that to help me with the next one. 9 yards is, let's see, we said 1 times 3 equals 3. So 9 times 3 is going to equal 27. So 9 yards equals 27 feet. My answer is 27. Let's try the same strategy for B. 6 5/10 pounds equals how many ounces? I remember that 16 ounces makes up 1 pound. So I'm going to use that to help me. I'm going to make my table, put pounds on the left, and ounces, which can be abbreviated with OZ on the right. I just said 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. So I had to multiply by 16. I'm going to use this to help me. Now I'm going to use my whole number, 6, to help me with this part. 6 times 16, that's a hard one. I'm going to do that over here. 6 times 6 is 36, carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So 6 pounds is equivalent to 96 ounces. But I didn't want to know 6 pounds, I wanted to know 6 5/10 pounds. So I'm going to put 6 5/10 here. I'm now going to multiply 6 5/10 times 16 because we have 6 5/10 pounds and there's 16 ounces per pound. So 6 times 5 is 30, carry the 3. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 3 is 39. Cross out the 3 because I've used it. Now we're going to multiply by the 1 in the tens place. So the 0 is going to go in the ones place. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. Now I'm going to add these. 0, 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 1,040. Wait a minute, that's a lot bigger than 96 that I had here. Oh, that's right, this wasn't 65, this is 6 5/10. So I know my answer is going to be in tenths. I need to put the 0 in the tenths place. I can do that by putting a decimal point between the 4 and the 0. 104 is a lot more reasonable than 1,040. So my answer is 104 ounces.